Fields turn brown in the heat of day. Kings and kingdoms rise and fall, but the voice of God outlives them all. Storm clouds gather, seasons change, people drift and rearrange, but Jesus speaks and mountains move. His holy promises stay true. Flowers fade.